What is ATS? ATS stands for Applicant Tracking System. It is a process of using the special keywords used by the employer in the announced job position. The candidate who is looking to get a job in a particular organization must analyze the keywords used by the employer in the job description. Then, the candidate should use those keywords in his or her resume. Example of ATS. The following is an announced job position by ABC Company for the position of Sales Development Representative. Please bear in mind that ABC Company is an imaginary company. It does not exist in reality. We have shared this example only to explain that imagine there is a company called ABC which has announced the position of Sales Development Representative. So this will be the job description. Explored, determined, and rendered fresh possibilities with a consultative approach in a business environment. Efficiently selected, created, and organized a sales funnel and pipeline. Gained hands-on experience using the CRM to preserve complete activities and customer details. Qualified leads received via gated content using Apollo, email, LinkedIn, phone, etc. Aggressively worked to expand existing accounts. How to use ATS? One should assess the keywords used in the above job description and mention those keywords on a piece of paper. For example, the important keywords used in the above job post are mentioned below. Possibilities, consultative approach, sales funnel, pipeline, CRM, customers, gated content, Apollo, email, LinkedIn, phone, accounts. Moreover, some keywords can also be found in the background details of the job post announced by the company. Search job websites including Career Builder International, Indeed, Jobble, LinkedIn, etc. to get an idea of how job descriptions are written. Prepare your summary and professional experience based on it. A candidate can write his preferred text in the professional experience by rephrasing the job description shown above to prevent plagiarism. This is the original job description as shown to you earlier. You can see it in italics. Now this is the text that has been produced after rephrasing and ensuring that the ATS keywords are used. Streamlined business processes by employing a consultative approach to select the latest possibilities. Achieved higher profits every month via organizing a sales funnel. Systemized research to drive the initial sales pipeline. Acquired mastery of CRM systems including Bitrix 24, Salesforce, Zoho, etc. Converted the potential customers into sales utilizing the platforms available. The earlier job description shown to you has been paraphrased, ensuring that nothing is plagiarized. At the same time, we have made sure that we have added ATS keywords as required by the job title as required by the employers. Thank you very much for listening to us.